Finally arrived, Stamperia's Pink Christmas. In fact, a whole bunch of Stamperia's things, but let me show you the Pink Christmas. Now we have it in 12 by 12. We also have it in 8 by 8, so that's a nice bonus. They are identical. You're going to get 10 sheets, and you also get 47 cutouts. So let me just show you. This is Pink Christmas, so you can see that there's going to be a lot of pink, some bluey teal. So these are some of the cutouts. These are more of them. On the back side of this, you can see that they are quite a bit plainer, so you can use them as you like. Here we have this, and on the back side, some little squirrels. More of the cutouts, just beautiful. And the back is a pattern, so nothing goes to waste. Well, nothing would go to waste anyway. You can see the deer, and the back of it is just a really pretty pattern. We've got more of the cutouts. That's why it gets to be so many with 47. And there is the back again, a little bit plainer. We've got the sleigh with our old Santa there. The back is very pretty. This is an envelope, and so you can see one side. I'll show you the back side in a moment. You can see all of these. These are looking like stamps, but you really wouldn't want to do all that delicate cutting. Just kind of whack it along the edge. It will be fine. And there's the inside of the envelope, so you can either use whichever side you like. Here is a beautiful floral, and I almost think you could use this any time of year. And there's the back of it. There we have Christmas with a candle, and the back, and more of the cutouts. And on the back of it, pink wood, and then more of the cutouts. My goodness, it just really goes on and on. So as I said, the same artwork is in both the 12 by 12 and the 8 by 8. Then in addition, we have some die cuts. Now let me bring these in. There are a total of 38, and as you can see, they just do a really nice job. These are on a very sturdy weight chipboard. You can kind of see that. So they're certainly going to be substantial, and you can see just the variety of sizes. And the imagery that they play quite a bit with is the deer and the sleigh, along with the flowers and the animals and so forth. So you can see on the product page, we will have an image of all of these. There are a total of 38 pieces. Now, to coordinate, I'm very happy to report that there are two rice papers. This is the Deer Pink Christmas, and this is the Sleigh Pink Christmas. So all of these will work together quite beautifully for our Pink Christmas from Stamperia.